Hi, in this video we will see how to verify the subscriber. In the last video we saw that the subscriber is receiving a link like this. Now if he click on this link, what will happen? As there is no code in our verify subscriber.php, so we see a blank page. If we go to verify subscriber.php, then we have to write something here. First, what will we do? We will first check if this subscriber is a valid subscriber. So I copy code from here. This code, I am not going to write it. I am copying this. Now, what I will check? I will check if this is a valid subscriber or not. So, select all from subscribers where email equal to this, and another condition will be needed, token equal to what. So, email comes through the request, because you see in email we send data using this method, question email equal to something. That means as the information is coming using the anchor tag, so the variable will come using the request variable. This is the variable, and token value will come using the token request variable, this one. So I will check my subscribers table, that is here, where email equal to this and token equal to this. So database email will be checked with the verification link email, and database token will be checked with the verification link token. So this will match. If we get any information that match these values, email and token pair, then we will get a result here. So if we get result, that means if total, we will get some result. Total means we get some values. That means the verification link the user clicked is okay, and this is a valid link, not bad users. Okay, so if total, then what we will do, we will update the database. I am going to copy this again, and here we will change the query here. Here we will write update. We will update the subscribers table. So we are going to write update subscribers, and in this table we will change the values using set. Set, what will we set? We will just set the token value, token equal to something, and status equal to something, I mean question. So what will be token? We will make the token empty. So first value we will pass a blank value. For this question mark we will pass a blank value. That means we are making the token empty. And status, we are going to make the status active. That means the subscriber will be active subscriber. So if this goes well, then we will redirect to a success page that I created, success.php. We will redirect straight to the success.php page and see the success message. But if there is no total, if total, this will happen and subscriber will be verified. But if else, that means a person is trying to input illegal link. then he will be redirected to any page. Suppose I will redirect him to the index.php page. So let's see what is going to be happened. First, I am going to copy this link, paste it in a browser, and first I will try to verify this user, but the token value is invalid. Suppose I am removing some from first and putting some according to my own. Then hit enter. Okay, here I miss one thing. I am using PDO, but I do not have any config. That is the problem, so I will have to include the config file here. Okay, now I try. This is an invalid link. I am going to try to press the invalid to go to the invalid link. Now you see it is redirecting you to the index.php page that I wrote here. If something bad, then it will redirect you to the index.php page. Now I am going to click on the real valid page. Click here and we see subscription is successful. So go to here, click on subscriber. You see that subscriber is active here. Token and status equal to where. Okay, but there is a problem. The problem is all subscribers have been active. So I am going to make those pending again. The problem is I did not set any where condition here. What it is doing, it is making all subscribers token 0 and active, but not all subscribers. Here I will have to apply the condition set token and status where what, where email equal this and token equal this. Where email equal this, this email means this email, the request email that comes. So here we add request email and token means request token. This token is that comes from the URL, and we are checking the email and token set. We will only update that email and that token. We will only update the token empty and status pending only for that where the token is this and email is this. My token has become empty. So what I can do, I am reinserting token here from here and from here. Okay, now let's go. I am going to check similarly like before. I am going to AA, going to copy this link. I do not hit first time. I will make the token wrong, enter. Gmail and token equal to this. Okay, forbidden. Successful, success working well. This one is active now. Okay, and if I go to this subscription, click here, and now I see the second one is active now, token 0. So this is working well, but for the wrong link I am going to try to do something. This is now redirecting me to the index.php page. Okay, so if a token is wrong, you cannot enter. You will be redirected to the index.php page, and if everything okay, that will take you to the success page. You see that right now.